Hey there, my friend. How are you doing today? I'm so glad that you stopped by. And if you're new here, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button because we would love to have you here within our community. And give this video a like as well because that lets me know that you find these types of videos helpful. In today's video, I'm going to show you 8 simple exercises that you can do every day to stay active. Now, it's really important for seniors to stay active because it helps us to maintain our strength, our balance, and our independence. But I want to reassure you right now that all of these exercises are low impact, they're safe, and they're very beginner friendly. So no matter what your current fitness level is, you'll be able to do these exercises. All right, let's get started. Right. The first thing that you want to do is to spend about 3 to 5 minutes warming up your body. Okay, just to get everything loosened up and to tell your body that we are going to be exercising today, so you can start off by rolling your neck gently from side to side and then up and down. Roll your shoulders forward and then backwards. Rotate your ankles clockwise and then counterclockwise. Then you can start making circles with your arms. Start small and then gradually make the circles bigger and bigger. And then you can march in place by lifting your knees up gently and then alternate from side to side. Okay, so those are just a few things that you can do for about 3 to 5 minutes to warm up your body, to get everything ready for exercising and also to help prevent injuries. All right, so let's get started with our first exercise. Okay, so for our first exercise, you're going to sit down on a sturdy chair. Okay, and you're going to straighten out one of your legs and point your toes up towards the ceiling. Okay, you're going to hold it there for about 3 to 5 seconds, and then you're going to lower it down slowly, and then repeat 10 times on each leg. Okay, so that's what we call seated leg raises. Now, when you're straightening out your leg, you want to make sure that your knee is pointing straight forward. It should be pointed to the side, and you do want to be pushing off with your foot against the chair. Okay, you should be sitting all the way upright, and all the way upright when you're re-lowering your leg as well. You want to make sure that you're not slouching forward or backwards. You should be nice and tall. Now you can use your arms to help balance yourself. And this exercise is great because it helps strengthen the muscles in your thighs and your knees. All right, our next exercise is arm curls. Now you can use either light weights or you can use water bottles. That's what I have here. And what you're going to do is hold one in each of your hands, and you're going to slowly bend your elbows and lift your arms up towards your shoulders, and then slowly lower them back down. And then repeat this about 10 to 15 times. And you're going to concentrate on doing this movement slowly. Do not rush it because we want to make sure that we're getting the most out of this exercise. And once again, this is another way that we can improve the strength in our arms. Now let's move on to the next exercise, which is marching in place. Now you can do this exercise while standing. If you need to, you can hold on to a sturdy chair for support. Now, all you're going to do is gently lift up your knee and alternate from side to side. And this is a great exercise because it helps improve the circulation in your lower body, and it helps improve your balance as well. And you can do this for about a minute or two. Now let's move on to the next exercise, which is a heel-to-toe balance walk. Now all you're going to do is walk in a straight line, and as you walk, you're going to place your heel down directly in front of your toe. Okay, so your heel is touching the floor in front of your toe, and you're just walking at a regular pace. Now you don't have to walk fast, okay? Just at a regular pace. This exercise is great because it helps with your balance and your coordination as well. So you want to do this about 5 to 10 steps each day. All right, our next exercise is called a wall push-up. Now this is an excellent exercise because it helps strengthen our chest, our shoulders, and our arms. Now you're going to stand up with your arms length from a wall, and you're going to place your hands flat against the wall. Then you're going to bend your elbows and bring your chest towards the wall and then push back. You're going to repeat this about 10 to 15 repetitions. Now you want to make sure that your body is nice and close to the wall. Got to be far away from the wall and then reaching out like this, okay? Because you won't get the full benefit of this exercise. So you want to make sure that you're nice and close to the wall, and then bending your elbows and bringing your chest towards the wall and then pushing back. All right, our next exercise is standing calf raises. Now once again, you can hold on to a sturdy chair or a wall for support, and what you're going to do is slowly lift up your heels and then stand up on your toes and then slowly lower back down and then repeat. This is about 10 to 15 times. And this is a great exercise because it strengthens the muscles in our lower legs, and it also helps improve our balance. All right, now the last thing that you want to do is to spend about 3 to 5 minutes cooling down your body. And you can do some gentle stretches of your arms, legs, and your back. And this is a good time to catch your breath and to relax your body. And there's a really easy stretch that you can do for your shoulders. Put your hands behind your back, and then you can gently stretch out your arms and hold it for about 15 to 30 seconds, and then switch sides. And for your back, you can stand up, and you can bend forward from the waist, and then put your hands on your legs, and then hold it there for about 15 to 30 seconds. And then you can do a hamstring stretch by standing up and then bending down and trying to touch your toes. But be careful and don't force it because you could pull a muscle. And since we've done all of these exercises, you can give this video a like because that helps me know that you found it useful. And if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments section below. And I have a bonus tip for you. Make sure that you stay hydrated by drinking water before and after you exercise. Wear comfortable clothing and supportive footwear. And it's always a good idea to check with your doctor before starting any new exercise routine. And I know that this might seem like a lot, but try to do at least 10 to 15 minutes each day, and you'll start seeing results. I hope that you enjoyed these simple exercises for seniors. And remember, aging is inevitable, but that doesn't mean that you have to feel like you're getting older. You can stay active, you can stay engaged, and you can continue to live life to the fullest. And I would love to hear from you. Leave a comment right now and tell me which exercise was your favorite. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.